And welcome to everybody. In this lesson, we will learn about how to make cross sections. Previously, we already learned about the cross section of a proper alignment in a specific or default perpendicular alignments. Like here, you can see that we have one alignment here previously. In this alignment, we have these simple lines. Simple lines mean cross section. So cross sections of these lines are a proper pattern. So this simple line have different uses. Sometimes we need I have already drawn one polyline here. This polyline here you can see this polyline. So I need some such section, not a proper regular sections, some additional section by making this as a reference line. No need to make a proper profile corridors. If you want simple, draw the cross section for the side grading or the side planning. So you can make a simple line, making some alignment first, and then you draw these polylines. From this polyline, then you can make a section. So I will tell you about in this tutorial that we will make the simple line first. Just click here in home tab, and then click your simple lines. In simple lines, you click right click. You need to choose your alignment. I just click here alignment L1. Then we have simple line group. Already we have one group. So here we can make that edit group simple line or add simple line groups. Okay. So I will make the group as it is simple line. Okay. So then I need to choose here by range or by station. Add station. If add station, you just click here. Okay. So which station you need any cross section, you just click at this station. Let's suppose I choose station this station. I make one cross section. Then it's called there is sway width here. You can say that 30. So I will put as 45. Enter, and then here is 20. I put 30. So you can make. So here is some additional add station. You already done one section here. So there is another option where I will use that add station from corridor section. No, from pick on screen. From pick on screen means that I just click here and somewhere here and clicking like this and just enter. If I enter, it automatically convert into simple line, means cross section. Then I will go again and drop down from this point, this one, select existing polyline. If I have an existing polyline, I can make the cross section from that existing polyline. Just I click and select here. I just select and right click here. If I right click here, so it automatically converted into cross section line. So all are these cross section line are referred with this alignment. So previously I told you that video becoming lengthy, so that's why I'm avoiding that one. And if you have alignment, you can make the cross sections. Alignment always uses reference line. Normally if you are making cross section here, so make a line called reference line along the contour and cut the cross section across the contour by making it a reference line. So previously I have L1 already have the reference line. So I already show you the three inputs how to make the custom cross section. So we have already custom cross section. So if you go these custom cross sections and click here, these are just click here, right click multiple cross section, go to cross section and view cross section, and AL1. Okay, SL1 we have only this, next, and just next, and make cross section. Okay. Okay. So we have the cross section already drawn here. So let me check my custom cross section of this one. Let's suppose we are custom cross section of this one. 25 at 25. Let me check the 25 cross section. Okay, here 25 cross section. This 25 cross section previously, what I have regularly input making the cross section in our previous video in detail. So these cross section are sometimes required for additional information, sometimes our regular cross section are missing, so we use these 3 or 4 type of simple lines and making the cross section. Thank you everybody, thank you.